Years ago, I found a box of old letters. Inside were envelopes filled with scraps of paper, pressed flowers, ticket stubs, and little notes between friends. None of it was valuable, but every piece told a story. And I realized something. We don't send things like that anymore. And that's one of the reasons why I started junk journaling and started my Patreon. Do you remember the feeling of getting a real letter in the mail? Not bills, not advertisements, but an envelope that somebody actually put together for you. And that's the idea behind my letter post here. It's designed to feel like receiving a pen pal letter from a friend who loves old paper just as much as you do. These days, almost everything arrives digitally. Messages are quick, disposable, and easy to forget. But there's something different about a real envelope. The anticipation of opening it, the texture of the paper, and the little treasures inside. Each month, members receive an envelope in the mail that feels personal and thoughtfully curated. Inside, you'll find things like a letter from me, vintage paper pieces, interesting scraps of ephemera, little elements you can use in journals, collage, or memory keeping. A lot of members tell me they have a little ritual when their letter post arrives. They make a cup of tea, sit at their craft table, and open the envelope slowly to see what paper stories arrived this month. Sometimes it sparks a journal page. And sometimes it just becomes part of a growing collection of beautiful scraps. So if you love old paper, letters and correspondence, junk journaling, preserving memories, or simply love the joy of receiving something thoughtful in the mail, then the letter post here might be perfect for you. I created the letter post here because I believe paper carries stories. And sometimes the nicest thing in the mailbox is simply an envelope that was sent with care. So if you would like to receive a little happy mail each month, you can join my letter post here over on Patreon. I would love to send you a letter.